together. Okay, so our first verse will be aired right here. Our first verse comes from Job chapter 42 and verse 10. Now Job was a friend of God, okay, and we shall be looking at his whole story but briefly. So these two verses, chapter 42 from verse 10 to 11 says, after Job had prayed for his friends, the Lord restored his fortunes and gave him twice as much as he had before. All his brothers and sisters and everyone who had known him before came and ate with him in his house. They comforted and consoled him over all the trouble the Lord had brought on him, and each one gave him a piece of silver and a gold ring. Wow, wow. Who are your friends? Who are your sisters and brothers? Do they come with such gifts to you after you have gone through such troubles? Well, we shall be looking at that. The next verse comes from 1 Peter chapter 5 and verse 10. And it says, and the God of all grace, who called you to his eternal glory in Christ, after you have suffered a little while, will himself restore you and make you strong, firm, and steadfast. Okay? Just after a little while, after you have suffered a little while, he will make you strong and firm and steadfast. Now, kindly understand that the suffering you go through as a child of God is all to make you strong and able to walk this journey. Okay? Do not fret. Do not feel, the Lord has neglected me, or give up, because the Lord is walking this journey with you. There are some people who have been or have been seeing memes and videos on TikToks and all that, people telling God, oh Lord, I hope I'm not among your strong soldiers this year, because I can't anymore. I am weak. Yeah, the Lord is strengthening you, and you are to walk this journey without fear, okay, of anything or over anything.